everyone, welcome to the Python tutorial series. Today we learn how to write a program to calculate LCM of two numbers. LCM is the least common multiple. For example, if we have two values like 2 and 3, we have two values, so LCM of these two values that if that number is perfectly divisible by these two numbers. Like 6 is the LCM of these two numbers. 6 is perfectly divisible by 2 and 3. Okay, so how to find this? Let's start. So this is the programming of this compute the LCM. So first of all, we define a self function compute LCM underscore LCM, and xy is the argument. For this type of function is easy to recall anytime by compute LCM. Okay, first of all we have to know that greatest number between the two given number. So let's example x and y, we have two numbers. First of all we have to check who is the greater. So if x is greater, then greater is a variable is equal to x value, else greater is y. If x is greater than y, then this. If not satisfy this condition, so that is obvious greater is y. Okay, now we for example x value is 2 and y value is 3. This is x value and this is y value. So if condition check x is greater than of y is not greater than, it means greater is y is greater, 3 is greater. Now in while loop while is true if the greater value is 3. Percentile means the remainder divided by x is 2 is equal to 0. It is not satisfy. If you divide 3 divided by 2, the remainder is 1, is not perfectly 0. So this condition is not satisfy. So LCM is equal to greater is not satisfy. Break is not work. Now work this greater plus 1 here. It means one value plus in the greater value. So now the greater value is 4. Now greater value is 4 is divisible by 2 perfectly, yes, but 4 is not divisible by perfectly by 3. So not satisfied, then this statement is going. So now the greater value is 5 plus 1. 5 is not perfectly divisible, not satisfied. Now the greater plus 1, now value is 6, and 6 is perfectly divisible by 2 and 3. So the satisfy condition, so LCM is greater, it means LCM is 6 and the loop is break and return value is LC, and the two values set fixed, num1 is 54 and num2 is 24. You can input this value by user. Now print this is a string, the LCM is compute LCM num1 num2 is taken and the result is 6. Oh sorry, result is LCM of these two number. Let's start and run this program. Run. The LCM is 216 of these two value. You can cut this value if you want to input by user. So integer value, because we're talking about number, input, enter first number. Sorry, we have to write this string in the single quote or double quote. So we use single quote, some space, bracket close. Copy this. We write this because we need values by input user. Now we run this program. He asks first digit and 2, the second digit 3, and the LCM is 6. We again run this program. He asks randomly numbers and the LCM is this. So this is the how to compute LCM. If you have any doubt, please subscribe, share and click on bell icon and comment your doubt. I will resolve your doubt. Thank you very much.